The midpoint of a segment is the point that divides the segment into two congruent segments. So not unlike a bisector, we put a point exactly in the middle of two segments of a segment, and I end up with two congruent parts. So if B is the midpoint of AC, then the two parts formed are congruent. We're going to say that AB, segment AB, is congruent to segment CB. And you can see by the markings here, right, that since I have the same markings, I have the same size segments. So let's draw a picture down here to represent the situation that A is the midpoint of BL. So let's draw a line segment BL, and we're going to put A right in the middle. Because A is the midpoint, I know it breaks the segment into two congruent parts. So the left side is congruent to the right side. I put notches on both of those line segments to show that they have equal parts. So we're going to say that BA, line segment BA, is congruent to line segment LA. And then finally, given that M is the midpoint of PQ, we can mark our picture. You can use one notch like we did above. You can use 2 or 3. Sometimes you can use a small circle or a small triangle on your segment. As long as it's the same marking, you know that the segments are the same size. Our conclusion, based on what we're given here, is that PM, line segment PM, is congruent to line segment QM.